Alright guys, this is our VW Jetta that we have here. Basically the purpose of this video is to show you which warning lights should come on when you start the ignition of the vehicle and then eventually start the engine, just to show you the series of warning lights turning on and turning off. So first of all, we're going to put the ignition on. That's the warning lights we have, and then leave it for a second and turn the engine on. And then in normal cases the airbag light will go out, but in this case we have an airbag light fault, so we need to deal with that. But that is the sequence of warning lights on this VW Jetta.